Welcome to my apartment. So yeah, this is just the empty apartment. This is the apartment I found. Finally, I got a place. So heading over this side, we have a room here. Basically, I don't even know which of the rooms to choose. So this is how this one is looking like. I'm going to change the color of the paint because hey miss, I'm going to be changing the color of the paint. We're changing the lightings. I really love light, so I'll be changing the lightings and one thing about it. So yeah, this is basically it. So yeah, let's head over to the other room. So heading over to the other side, I have the other room, which is looking like this. I don't even know the one that is bigger. I don't even know the one to choose between these two rooms right now. So yeah, standing over here, this is the view of the other room. So all these rooms are just going to be, the paints are going to be changed, and I'm working a lot on each rooms. So of course we're gonna transform this room together. So definitely you guys are coming with me. You guys are gonna come with me on this one. So I don't even know the one to choose right now because gosh. Anyways, let's just go ahead. Maybe we can come back for that later. So over here is the toilet or bathroom or washroom, anyone you want. So we have just the WC here, and we have the basin here. So we have the shower. This is just a house under budget, but not bad for a Lagos apartment. It's not bad. So we'll be transforming it to a taste. That is just what matters. So this is what the bathroom is looking like. The bathroom is actually big. Actually big though, not small. So new. So this is just how the two rooms are separated. At the side we have one room, at the other side we have the other room, and then we have the bathroom here. So each person have their own space, and then we can only share the bathroom. Damn, that is it. So we have the dining area here. Sorry about the noise in the background. So this is just the dining area, and at the corner of the dining area we have the kitchen. So this is just how it is. We're changing the color of most of the things here, really. Not like it's bad, but this is the kitchen right now. It's a kitchen for me too. So yeah, they already have this cabinet on the ground here. I got some few things. That is why I kept it here, because I haven't unpacked or I haven't done anything. I haven't even brought my load yet. I just buy some few things that I'll be needing for the meantime. Then gradually I'll be buying stuff for the apartment. So this is just how the kitchen is looking like. Basically, this is just it. For a budget apartment, not bad, really. This is the cabinets. So yeah, this is basically it. So from this point, this is what the kitchen is looking like. Not bad. And we have the parlor, the sitting room, whatever it's called, right here. So yeah, this is just an empty apartment tour. Basically, we have another toilet outside. That is for the visitors. So that. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends, your family. And yeah, this is just an apartment, but it was on a budget, and then it has a lot of space. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so you can at least get every newly update on this channel. We'll be showing you how everything is being done, how the painting and the arrangement of the room and every other thing is being done on this apartment. So guys, I'll see you on my next video. Don't always know that I love you, Sha. All right, now bye.